Wagwan fam, welcome back to the channel. So today we have a very special video. We always say this because we video them ever special.
Yes, true.
So today we are in Brownstown.
Yeah, beautiful Brownstown.
And the reason why we are in Brownstown today is because we want to showcase to you guys Brownstown in all its changes over the years, because Brownstown go through a lot of changes with buildings here and there where probably a lot of you have not seen. So therefore we're gonna show you how Brownstown is. So yeah, basically that we're gonna show you today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you like the video. You're gonna like it still. Comment down below, leave a genuine comment down below, and subscribe if you have not subscribed as yet. Hit that post notification bell, that one right beside the subscribe button, to be notified every time we post.
Yes.
Alright? So,
and if you're new to the channel, thank you for coming, and if you are returning, thank you for coming again and again and again. So let's dive right into this video. Oh, I didn't see you there. Oh guys, this is the future cam. So I just want to let you know that due to the curfew which is implemented by the government, so we had to leave Brownstown very early. Back to the video.
alright guys, supermarket, if you didn't know, supermarket on this side of the road. Over there once was Kubi's. Now it changed all out. It is no longer there. It's no longer there. And this was Boston jerk chicken. They come right here, so they still have a bar and we can get food and stuff. So yeah.
Ain't no pudding different, that's a total.
Public health office. Parish code.
So if you've not been to Brownstown in a good while, I don't think you know that building now. New building. So guys, if you want space to rent, you can actually come here so and get space to rent, right? Remember, if you want space to rent, come here so.
The first floor. I guess people can park here.
Yeah.
This is the parking area. And it's a KFC restaurant building right here. So I never remember here, so it was a vacant space. Not never there, so. Not never there, so one time. And yeah. Something is now there, so you have 3 floors. From KFC, this new to me, Western Union. The digital store is up there, so I guess they put everything inside up there. And Crazy Pay.
So Rocky shall buy the pudding.
No, I did not say I didn't want the pudding.
So Rocky, hold on. Rocky shall buy the pudding. I don't want the pudding for you.
That's not true. It's not the traditional pudding. It's an oven baked pudding. So you know.
So
It's alright, but you know.
No smoke, no funny.
Yeah, no. You know, I like the part that is charred some of the times. You know, like kind of have like a burn on the ends, and my one look too perfect.
Say rubies there, sir. Sana rubies always there, sir. What?
Bus Park.
We have to do one fight up on this.
Have juicy patty on this entire building. If you love juicy patty, comment down below. It's my favorite patty. Anglican Church. And as per Brownstown, people them have them things up on the wall and sell. The good things there.
Yo! Where do you win? Where do you win? Alright, now what?
Bokopina.
Bokopina.
Alright, so yes, so we have the bokopina.
We have the beetroot. We have the pumpkin and the oat. We have the melon, cucumber. And also we have cucumber. And we have bedroom bully.
Bedroom bully.
Bedroom bully. Bedroom. So you got me selling from money.
Oh, why not this one? Yeah.
You know, you're alright, man. It tastes good.
Right.
How Brownstown you come from? Eh? Oh, Stepney. Oh.
Yes, mango.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I know, man. So look. Yo, Noble. Let's see a word.
Brownstown funky too. Funky. There go my neighbor. Oh, forgot today's Emancipation Day.
You need. You talk to you enough move, brother.
Alright.
Whatever coming on the police phone.
Yes, ma'am. You have seen me before?
Nah, man, no, give me.
No, give
No,
me.
no. Where? Tell me. Without what happened, man, to go make one random smell like if you go pierce my mouth. Best food place in Brownstown, the place here, right? Restaurant Clemens Plaza. Any food to go. You can come here. I recommend you to come here.
You know the road.
Road. I recommend that you guys come here, come get enough food because it really tastes good. So if you come to Brownstown and want somewhere nice other than KFC and them place there, come up food to go.
No, where you want to go? I told you I go.
See there, over there stuff. But I go Kingston, Brownstown, and Jordan there. See there, Brownstown, Kingston, see there.
Bus park empty. Because today holiday, workplace empty.
A little bit because I know Brownstown bus.
Yeah. Alright, go ahead.
So you.
Alright. Yes guys, so as you can see guys, Brownstown is very upgraded or updated or whatever, or you know, they enhance it a lot.
Based
The
on the
new
last time
buildings,
you have seen.
yes, new buildings and that
New
new
stores.
that new building, I don't think it's ready.
It's not occupied as
You
yet.
know, so much space and all of that.
Probably one of the reasons why it's not occupied is probably expensive because it has been there for like a year now. Nobody has occupied it. So
Yeah. So guys, if you have a new business and you wanna start it in Brownstown, it's a good place. Brownstown very good. Trust me, people will
it's the
support
heart
you.
of Brownstown.
Right beside KFC. So whenever you sell a little shirt, a man can go over KFC go buy a chicken for celebrate a new shirt or whatever business you plan for do over there. So
Buildings were not open, but I don't
Yes.
think that was a problem because we get to show you how we would actually want to show you how Brownstown is. So yeah,
So
comment down below
mhm.
and tell us what you think and
Definitely.
if you
Enjoyed it?
Yeah, if you enjoyed it, when was the last time you went to
Brownstown.
Brownstown? What looks new to you, and so forth and such. So yeah, man.
Leave all the thoughts down in the comment box and let us know. And just stay tuned to the corners for more excited vlogs pertaining to Jamaica. So thank you guys for watching and we wish you all the best in emancipation. Peace. Well, I'm out now.